This is the orange list. Number 1 is human. My neighbor is a human, and so am I. Number 2 is river. We went fishing in the river. Number 3 is meeting. I have a meeting with the other teachers after school. Number 4 is lemon. I'll put a fresh squeezed lemon in your iced tea. Number 5 is finish. When you finish your broccoli, you can go outside to play. Number 6 is leader. The team leader will collect all the papers and put them into the inbox. Number 7 is easy. It's easy to grow plants if you have a lot of sunlight and water. Number 8 is sneaker. Tie your left sneaker before going for a walk. Number 9 is wagon. I filled the wagon with rocks and pulled it down to the pond. Number 10 is pilot. The pilot of the airplane told us to fasten our seatbelts. Number 11 is never. You should never ride in a car without your seatbelt. Number 12 is frozen. Because it was so hot outside, we decided to have a frozen treat. Number 13 is student. There was one student who didn't return his or her library book. Number 14 is lazy. The lazy dog lay under the tree in the shade. Number 15 is second. Last year you were in second grade. Number 16 is humor. It's easier to get through a stressful time if you have a good sense of humor. Number 17 is reason. The reason your teacher isn't here today is because she's out of town. Number 18 is visit. She had to go visit her son because he's graduating. Number 19 is planet. You live on a planet called Earth. Number 20 is peanut. This classroom is peanut free. No peanuts are allowed. Number 21 is 7. Our kickball team had 7 players on it. Number 22 is present. I opened my birthday present from Grandma first. Number 23 is music. Miss Quintero teaches us music. Number 24 is a minute. This spelling test has taken a lot longer than 1 minute.